fourth grade bass players. This is a review session on the Cabbage song. So remember, the whole song sounds like this. Okay, let's try the parts. So starting with 4 fingers, F sharp. Check that left hand, make sure that those fingers are stretching all the way to the tapes and that your thumb is behind your middle finger. All right, be my echo. F sharp, G, G. F sharp, E, E. F sharp, G, G. F sharp, E, E, D, D. Okay, let's try some bigger chunks this time. Listen first. F sharp, G, G. F sharp, E, E. F sharp, G, G. F sharp, E, E, D, D. Fabulous. Let's try the entire song, starting with 4 fingers, F sharp. 1 and 2 and go now. Fantastic. Thanks for practicing.